to financial data. Anything else you want to add here?
Yeah, security data.
Security data. Is it mentioned in the
Or,
case study,
or
or
do
you are
we
making it up?
No, it is not mentioned.
making up? Are you not given?
Don't make it
No,
up.
no, we have not given them the rights.
Whatever is mentioned in the case study, we'll go with that only for now,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yeah, we
okay,
can't assume for now. There's a reason.
All
I'll tell
right.
you later. Yeah,
No,
Yeah,
only these things
yeah.
are mentioned.
no assumptions here for now. Okay. In reality, who will give you all this information in the reality, in the real world? When you go for this vendor, who will give you all this information? Quickly. Come on, guys. We discussed this in the first session.
Procurement.
No, business owner. How would procurement know what are you doing with this vendor?
Yeah, we need to have a requirement first from the business.
Business
What
owner,
we
right?
what we need to do.
Business owner, head of the department will tell you all this. Yes or no?
Yes.
How would procurement know which servers are they accessing? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody clear on this part? Business owner, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else apart from these three mentioned there? No, right? Okay. Now let us, here now we will have some assumptions. Okay. I'll tell you now what to assume. When we are talking about servers, prod and dev servers, let us say they have one prod server and they have one dev server. Okay. One we can assume. Customers data, that means they have a customer database. Okay. So customer database, we can call it customer DB. Okay. DB1, we can say that. For financial, again, there'll be database. Okay. We can say that finance DB1. Everybody clear till this point?
Yes.
Okay. And these two also, let's give us a name. We should call this as prod1, and this we should call as dev1 from a server perspective. Okay. Now we will analyze the data flow between bank infrastructure till this point, and what is coming back also. These two things now we will analyze. Any doubts till here before I proceed?
No.
गाजर का खाना है?
Data flow. So also need to identify what data categorized.
Yeah, we will look into that. That is the next part. But till this point, is it clear?
Okay.
See, Azhar, can without identifying the asset, can you identify the data? Tell me.
No.
Then we should go step by step, right? So this is the first step, asset identification. Okay.
Data is asset.
Next, no. First, we have to see the infrastructure asset. What all infrastructure assets are being used, right? Then we will see what is the data being transferred in them. Okay. So this is the step one. Shall we move to step two, guys?
Yes.
You want to see how it actually looks like? Okay, I'll show you. This is prod one, and all these are servers, huh? This is dev one. This is CDB1. What is CDB1?
Customer database.
Customer database. Very good. And FDB1, what is that?
Financial database.
Okay. Everything we have captured till now, nothing left, right?
Yes.
Now let us see. This is the company now. This is the tech dot whatever vendor is there. This is the vendor. Okay. So now we need to understand from a data flow perspective, what type of data will this company have access to? Now tell me one thing.